In this video, we are going to install this 3-in-1 wireless adapter for Apple Carplay, Apple Airplay, and Android Auto, provided by Ottocast for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. On one side, you have your USB-C, and on the other, you have your USB Type-A, along with your switch. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the adapter. Go ahead and set this right on top. Now that that's connected, we're going to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Okay, and then on your iPhone, we're going to be on your Bluetooth, and then wait for the device to show up. There it is. We have your adapter MX. Let's go ahead and pair that. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and hit pair. Once that's paired, we're going to hit enable. Okay, now you see CarPlay. We're going to go ahead and use CarPlay. And then hit CarPlay here. Now we're connected to Apple CarPlay. Let's go ahead and test the voice feature. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Looks like it will be partly cloudy today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 65 degrees, with overnight lows around 53.
Now let's go ahead and do the initial connection with your Android phone. We're going to look for adapter MX. We're going to go ahead and pair with that. Okay, and then hit pair. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and enable Android Auto. Hit enable. Let it reset. Now you're connected to Android Auto. Now let's go ahead and test voice control. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Tonight in Seattle, the forecast is for a high of 62 and a low of 52 and partly cloudy. Right now it's 64 degrees and partly cloudy.
Now from your Android Auto, if you want to switch back to your previous device, we're going to go ahead and click this switch button here. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and reset. We have your red light. For my car, it asks for permission. I can delete that permission, but we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now we're switched back to your other phones. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.